I study moths and their interactions with plants in Florida. There's a group of plants here called Crotalaria or rattlebox plants. The reason people introduced them here is because they fixate nitrogen, and so they thought that they were good for agriculture. But the plants became invasive exotic plants. So this is, for example, a Crotalaria spectabilis. This is a spectacular rattlebox plant. You will see some habitats in Florida that are completely overrun by this plant, which is, of course, a problem for native flora because this exotic plant, well defended, outcompetes the native plants. But there's one Florida native moth that actually is adapted to feeding on rattlebox plants for their own biology. For example, its caterpillars collect toxic chemicals from plants, accumulate them, pass them on to adult moth, and moth use them for protection from predators. As far as the moth is concerned, we can go to nature and collect a female moth, and she will lay eggs. They can lay up to 350 eggs, so you can start a colony from a single moth. Recently, I wrote a book called The Lives of Moths, and it basically describes animal-plant interactions from the perspective of moths and plants found in their habitats. And frequently I refer to research done on the Bella moth in this book because it summarizes so many interesting findings. And right now we definitely are experiencing some decline of insect fauna all throughout the world, and it's really concerning for the ecosystems and for well-being of the humanity because we can't live without nature.